How to emergency restart your desktop if your home screen stuck like this. So in order to emergency restart it, just simply click Control Alt Delete. So once you type that, you will be automatically prompt here. Just simply click Control and together with Control click Power, and once you click that, you will be now go to emergency restart. So here, base here, click OK to immediately restart. So any unsaved data will be lost. Use this only as last resort. So this emergency restart is the last resort if you cannot restart or reset your desktop, especially if your home screen stuck like that. So here, let's try to emergency restart it. Just simply click OK. So it will automatically restart. Just wait for it. Okay, as you can see, it appears the logo. The logo already appeared. And then it's already loading. So here, let me show you. Please wait. It's still loading. So until it will now go to your screen. Okay, so it's okay already. It's not stuck anymore. And it's okay now. And